To unfulfill an order in Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to the Orders page. This page displays a list of all your orders, including their status and fulfillment details. Find the order you want to unfulfill and click on it to view its details. On the Order Details page, scroll down to the Fulfillments section. If the order has already been fulfilled, you will see a fulfilled status and a Cancel Fulfillment button next to it. Click the Cancel Fulfillment button to initiate the unfulfillment process. A confirmation window will appear, prompting you to confirm that you want to cancel the fulfillment. Click Confirm to proceed. Once you have confirmed, the fulfillment status of the order will be updated to unfulfilled. You can also add a note to the order to explain why the fulfillment was canceled, which can be helpful for tracking and customer communication purposes. After unfulfilling an order, you may need to take additional steps, such as refunding the customer or restocking the items. You can do this by clicking on the More Actions button at the top right corner of the Order Details page and selecting either Refund or Restock. It is essential to note that unfulfilling an order does not automatically refund the customer or restock the items. You need to perform these actions separately. Additionally, if you have already shipped the order, you may need to contact the customer and arrange for the return of the items before you can restock them. By following these steps, you can easily unfulfill an order in Shopify and take the necessary actions to ensure that your orders are managed efficiently and your customers are satisfied.